Hi, Tanya Rice with Car Dental. Today we're going to talk about OptiBond 360 and your indirect restorations. With your indirect restorations, you want to make sure that you're following your manufacturer recommendations for preparing the intaglio surface of your crown or the inside of the crown prior to your cementation and bond process. With our OptiBond 360, you want to shake it for 10 seconds prior to opening it. With our bottle, it has this really nice aspect of a push button open. You push this button, flips right open, which is really nice. This is ensuring that you're not having any cross-contamination with your thumb accidentally hitting the dispensing nozzle. After you've opened it, you want to dispense a drop of bond into your mixing well, and then make sure the lid is closed securely. After your crown has been prepared, what you want to do is take your OptiBond 360 and scrub it on the intaglio surface of the crown. After you've done that, take light air and air dry it for 5 seconds, making sure that there is no pooling. If you notice that a spot has been missed, go ahead and just take a little bit more bond and scrub it on that area. Gently air dry it, again making sure that there is no pooling. With OptiBond 360, you have the choice of using a total dark cure mode or actually using your curing light at this point. So OptiBond 360 does allow for total dark cure mode with any resin cement. If you would like to cure the bond in your intaglio surface, you can do so, cure for 5 seconds. You set the crown aside. Now you're ready to prepare your tooth prep for bonding and cementation. With your tooth prep and the OptiBond 360, you have a choice. You can use etch, you can use total etch, selective etch, or no etch with OptiBond 360. If we're doing the etching process, go ahead and apply your etch in whichever style that you would like. Set it down or let it set for 15 seconds. After it's been on for 15 seconds, use your water and rinse off the prep, and then gently air dry it for 5 seconds. After you've air dried it, you want to make sure that you're not over desiccating the tooth, over drying it, so that way the bond actually soaks down deep into the dental tubules and you're not causing any sensitivity. If you decide to not use etch, we're going to skip just to this part of taking the OptiBond 360 and scrubbing it on to your dental prep. Again, you want to make sure that you're having a uniform scrub and scrubbing it for 20 seconds. You want to make sure that you're doing the full 20 second scrub and not less time. Again, this is allowing the bond to soak down into the dental tubules and preventing any sensitivity. After you've done so, gently air dry it for 5 seconds. You want to make sure you have a glossy uniform appearance. If you do not see the glossy uniform appearance, apply a little bit more bond, again scrubbing it for that 20 seconds. Light air, and then you do have a choice with our OptiBond 360 and the cementation to cure or not to cure. If you decide to cure it for 5 seconds. Now you're ready to place your cement into your dental crown. Go ahead and take your dental resin cement, place it into your dental crown, place it onto your dental prep, and then go ahead and light cure your crown for final cementation.